part of the gatekeeping. Can you drive an 18-speed transmission? Can you handle a taker? Can you change tires? Can you go up and down the mountain? You can do all that. Can you do it with snow and ice on the road? Oh, while weighing 120,000 plus pounds. Can you do all that? Because if you can do all that, we may just bring you up here, put you to work, test, probationary period, Don't just talk about it now. Don't soldier. Don't just talk about it now, because I'm telling you, as soon as you get up here, soon as you get up here, soldier, as soon as you get up here, you damn right it dumped 5 inches of snow. And it's the same day. It's so sad, boy. It's so sad, boy. I'm looking at it right now. It's so sad, boy. It's ice, it's snow, and it's supposed to snow all day tonight, all day tomorrow. I don't know nothing about chaining tires, but they got the frost law in effect, and they want you to change. So guess what I'd be doing on my first day? Learning how to change tires. Oh, there ain't gonna be no problem, is it, soldier? Nah, ain't no problem, Mr. Charlie. Ain't no problem now. I'm gonna shoot you. Mr. Charlie, I got this. This is what I do. You talking about snow? Drive through this all the time. It's light work. Matter of fact, it's no fun in a semi-truck. It'd be much funner, Mr. Charlie, if we got my Challenger and spun around the parking lot a couple of times. Now, then we having fun. We having fun. That thing ain't got no traction, Mr. Charlie. No traction. With this 379 Pete right here, nah, this ain't. It's light work. Light work. Boy, talk about no food in North Dakota. You're going to lose some weight up here. You're going to lose some weight up here. They got the grocery store up there. Mostly buying dry food, because it's only so much you can put in this tiny little refrigerator right here. It ain't like the refrigerator in my classic. This thing right here is small. It's like a dealership type truck refrigerator. Y'all know how they do y'all, the little dealership do y'all with the tiny refrigerator and no space on it. You know how they do. They don't think about no truck driver. It's all good though. I'm eating my little noodles right now. Bottle of water, pour that in, put it in the microwave. I eat this so far. Had a pack of tuna. Been drinking water. Can't get no damn sandwich, no cheeseburger, no pizza from nowhere. No ribs, steak and potatoes. Ain't got none of that. Ain't no restaurants. You ain't gonna find nothing. It's nothing up here. Snow like this, can't drive your car to go get nothing. So hopefully you already got it. Thing that I noticed already, you need defrost on the truck, defrost on the mirrors, and defrost on the headlights. My truck ain't got none of that. Got none of that. Boy, that snow coming down so heavy, y'all. It's so sad. It's so sad on the first day of training. It's looking like this. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Just take a look at it. So right now the temperature is 18 degrees and it's dropping. I don't know what the wind speed is, but let's take a look at the situation. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Start training in the morning. It's supposed to snow non-stop all day tonight. It's only 6 p.m. right now, so it's gonna snow all day tonight, all day tomorrow. Right now it's 18 degrees and dropping. Supposed to get to 0 degrees. Trainer gonna show me how to chain the tires. They want you to chain the tires up, and whew, boy, it's gonna be a long day, y'all. It's gonna be a long day. Finally turned on my mirror heat. So that's what that green button is right there. That's the mirror heat. I got the defrost going too. So at least that works. So I can see out the window. Trailer back there. So that's what we're working with so far, y'all. It's all snow. I don't know how deep it is, but it just started. It's already covered everything. Make sure you got plenty of food, plenty of water in your truck. And at least the heat worked, man. The heat worked real good. But I ain't looking forward to waking up, 2 in the morning and going out with the trainer, boy. It's 6 p.m., boy. You know how you be trying to delay that time, boy. Next thing you know, 6 p.m. turning to 2 a.m. You sitting over here, you just hoping it stop. It ain't gonna stop, Andrew. Look at that. That ain't even slowing down. That's full speed, wind blowing. Ooh, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough, y'all. You gotta work 16 hours tomorrow in it. Whoo, boy, it's gonna be tough. We gonna kick back, think about what the hell I done got myself into in this North Dakota situation. This right here, this is a situation. Let me go and kick back. I'm gonna turn these lights off, lay down in bed, and think about, if the money is really worth it. Let me just go and kick back and think about it.